So welcome back to another video from Motorhead UK. Hopefully we can get the sun strip on today. Yesterday didn't go too well. It didn't really want to stick. It was moving around. It wasn't our day. So the day before we tried fitting neons, didn't work. Nothing was sticking on there. So hopefully today we can do it, and I'm going to try hopefully cheer Zane up with it. But fingers crossed, and let's hope this one goes well, guys. I've got something for you.
What's that?
Well, you know we were getting pissed off with the car in the sun strip.
Yeah.
Have a look at your car.
What?
I did it.
When did you do that?
I did it this morning about 7:30.
You're crazy. So, what did you call me? I would help you.
Well, you were getting pissed off with it, and I thought I'll give you a hand, and I'll make you smile. So,
Yeah.
you like it?
Yeah.
You like the colour?
No.
It ain't changing now. That was a pain in the ass to get on there. It was pretty hard to do this one, to be fair.
I can't believe you've done it.
Yeah,
This morning.
it's all done.
Yeah.
It's all official. Now you're sticking up now as well.
Yeah.
So we're all good.
Cheers.